Hello everyone, today fresh green material work. Let's make it together. First we are selecting the back line. The second line is made of wood. It's dyed purple. It was originally used in ivory. This time I soaked it in black dye for about a day. Slightly dark purple. I changed the color. After dyeing like this, about a week is enough. Dry it and use it. The back line is basically curled into a circle. It's a curved material. So the severely curved part, we are also working on straightening it out in a straight line. Now we use the second line. I'm going to make 3 triangular frames. I will make it in medium and medium size. Put frozen moss. This is a scene I took out this freezer because moss is lumped together. You have to use it separately. It feels really good. Moss that feels alive. This looks like in a dry place with a lot of moisture. It has an interesting characteristic of hardening. This work features light green and dark green. I will use 2 color bosses. I'll start with light green. The wire used it's a craft wire called Kappa wire. This time I chose brown Kappa wire. For a natural atmosphere, I chose green casting color in solo. If the frame is too exposed, it may seem incomplete. So I think the frame is a flower. I tend to wrap it in a material like moss. If you return the wire so carefully, they also stick together so that they are firmly fixed. I'll wrap dark green moss for you in the same way. Dark triangles are 2. The light green triangle is going to be the face. Winding this back line took the longest. So I did a lot of editing in the video. Kappa wires. As long as you wrap it in the same direction regularly, it stays pretty sturdy even without separate fasteners. Next, I took out the aluminum wire. This is also a common material used in balls. Because the back line is weak, the triangular frame is a little wobbly. So put aluminum wires. I'll take 2 more to reinforce them. This method is not only the durability of the frame, the gloss of aluminum, it can be used as a design element. There are 3 effects. I have a variety of colors. Put the color that matches the work. I'm using it by choice. If you look closely at the video, each triangle is reinforced with 2 lines of wire. It can also be used by design. It's a technique that can be used functionally. It definitely makes the frame stronger and more stable. Continue the wire.
Fix it.
I left a little brown cap of wire on purpose. It seems that the effect is not enough. While doing this work, at the same time, put the brown cap of wire. I'm trimming it up. Thanks to Morse's fluffy nature. Even if you put a wire in, it will naturally hide from the surroundings. So the wire, because it doesn't stand out, it can be produced harmoniously. Brown kappa and yardle. I'll trim you. Finally, aluminum wire. Give me 2 lines. When you do this, turn the wire very forcefully. The most important thing. Only then can it be fixed more firmly. You can see a solid effect. The wire at the end is the shortest without being pointed. Cut it out. Now the triangular frame 3 are almost complete. According to the nature of moss, a lot of crumbs fall during work. However, after creating and completing the work, much more stable. Now it's time to fix the floral form to the firearm. Because I made a basic flower pot, there is a water hole. Clear acrylic gel to block water holes. Put floral form on top of that. But you can stop the water from leaking. You can use a variety of firearms. The triangular frame is quite large in size. Use the back line again, set up a support and fix it. The wire we use now is called iron wire. Wire wrapped in paper. Among the flower ingredients, it is called jizusha. It's a wire Now take the position of the triangle. The arrangement of green materials I'll get ready. Among the green materials used, lemon leaf material is used, and there are leaves from the flower pots you grow. This leaf has a curve similar to that of an aspen. It expresses a very elegant atmosphere. I also used frozen golden balls. Originally, golden balls have yellow flowers. However, when dyeing with preservatives, there are many colors, so this time I put the golden ball dyed green. I chose freezer materials. If you take good care of it, it can last for years. It lasts for 1,000 days, so it is called a 1,000-day flower. It's also a flower. The results I tested, in fact more than 3 years is enough to manage well. The material you are plugging in now it's a wild grass material. I feel a warm feeling that reminds me of the fields when I was young. It also feels like barley. And the flower arrangement, because height control is so important, I put flowers in work diagram of recutting and adjusting position often. Shooting diagram for medium dagger. I tried it. When I checked in the middle, it felt a little empty at the bottom. I heard the last fluorescent ID for 2 days. I added it to points. Thanks to Amy, the whole color combination is harmonious. Enter the middle tone and finish. It's much more natural. Now please slowly appreciate the finished work. Thank you for joining us. Colored with daily flowers, Flosign.